Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Essential Oil Life with Stephanie. Let's be honest, the winter months are killer on our skin. And as busy women, we don't always take the time to go get elaborate spa treatments. But actually, you can just hop right into your kitchen and use ingredients that you have here to make an absolutely amazing, gorgeous glow sugar scrub. This can be done with white sugar or brown sugar and any combination of ingredients. Today, we're doing brown sugar. So this is 3/4 a cup. This is an 8-ounce jar. It can be a mason jar, another jar you cleaned out because we're all for recycling care. And then you're going to do a 1/2 cup of some type of oil. I did a combination of fractionated coconut oil and olive oil. You can use grapeseed oil. It just depends on what kind of feel you like on your skin, or frankly, let's be honest, what you have in your kitchen. So then you just mix that into there. And then you're gonna add your oils of choice. So today we're gonna go for kind of like a spicy one because we're all about spicing it up. So we've got cassia. Cassia is very similar to cinnamon in its smell. It's just a little more subtle. So we're gonna do 4 drops of cassia. Four drops of clove. So we're kind of gonna make like a oatmeal cookie smell. If you want something a little more calming, you could do lavender. If you like something a little more florally, you could do geranium or rose. But we're going for some sweet and spicy today. And then 4 drops of that, which is ginger, excuse me. And all you do is swirl it around. Stir it around. If you like yours a little more exfoliating, you would just use more of a ratio of sugar versus your other oil, and then you have a very lovely scrub. So all you're going to do is scoop this up when you're in the shower, rub it all over your skin, and then rinse it off. And so it doesn't take much to pamper yourself, so take advantage of it. Ladies, go pamper yourself today. And one of you are going to be very, very lucky because you're going to get this one that I already made for you, what could be better, for free. So all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, Essential Oil Life with Stephanie, and then comment what you like to do for some self-care. Is it a bubble bath? Do you like to slip away and read? What do you do to just have a few moments to yourself to take care of yourself? Thank you so much. Have an amazing day.